Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 4.4. Find the nature of the root of the following quadratic equation. If it real root, find them. That first part 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So we write here d is equal to b square minus 4ac, that will be b is minus 3 square minus 4 multiply 2 into 5 is equal to 0. So 3 3 are 9 minus, that will be 5 to 10 40, 40 that minus 11. So that will be no real root, no real root. If that answer will come minus, that will be no real root. And then second part 3x square minus 4 under root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. So d is equal to b square minus 4 ac is equal to that 4 under root 3 square minus 4 into 3 into 4. So that 16 3 ja 48, 4 4 ja 16 ja 48, that is 0. So that will be two equal real root, two equal real roots, two equal real roots. And then we will find the real root also. We will find the real root also. You can find by completing the square method, or by formula method, or by completing the square method. And then middle-term splitting also you can apply. That third part 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So minus 6 square minus 4 into 2 into 3, so 6 is 36 minus 4 to 8 3 24 is equal to, that is 12. 12 means that is a two distinct real roots. And then you will be find this thing by completing the square method. That is difficult, so you can apply here splitting the middle term. And then second question, find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal real root. They have two equal real root. So that is first part 2x square plus kx, that is plus 3 is equal to 0. So you will apply here b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So b is k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 0. So k square is equal to 4 2 ja 8, 3 ja 24. So that k is equal to plus minus under root 24, or you can write like this also, plus minus that 24 factor you can see here, 2 12 ja 2 6 ja, that 2 under root 6, 2 under root 6. Second part is also similar, kx x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. So first of all we will open the bracket, kx square minus 2k x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here also we will apply b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So that minus 2k whole square minus 4 into k into 6 is equal to 0. So that 4k square is equal to that minus 6 4 ja 24k is equal to 0. 4k take the common, 4k take the common, so that will be k minus 4 6 are 24, and then so 4k is equal to 0. So k is equal to 0 upon 4. No need to write upon 4. That is answer. And another answer will, this one's 0. So k is equal to 6. Third question, is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is this one? Third question, solution, let breadth is equal to x and length is equal to 2x because it is given twice. According to question that area is equal to this one. So area is equal to 800 is given, or we know that area length multiply breadth. So 2x multiply x is equal to 800. So that will be 2x square minus 800 is equal to 0. So that 2 can be take the common. So x square minus 400 is equal to 0. This will be 0. Minus 400 is equal to 0. Now we check this. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0, or d is equal to, we can write, so that b not given, so that will be 0 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 400, and then that will be plus, no need to write the plus, 4 4 just 1600. So this is the possible, and then we will solve this equation. Minus 400 is equal to 0. So x square is equal to 400. So x is equal to plus minus under root 400. So that will be plus minus 20. This will be answer in plus and minus also. And 2 question more left here. In the following situation, possible, if so determine their present age. The sum of the age of two friends is 20. So let first friend age, let age of first friend is equal to x and age of second friend is equal to that sum of the age of two friend is 20. So 20 minus x, and then according to question that will be 4 years ago the product of their age. 4 years ago means minus 5, and then product means multiply, then minus 5 is equal to, that is 48, and then x minus 5, or this will be 15 minus x is equal to 48, and then 15x minus x square minus 15 5 is 75 plus 5x minus 48 is equal to 0, and then minus x square plus 20x, and then minus 8 5 13 7 4 11 12 is equal to 0. So that will be change the sign because this is the minus. So x square minus 20x plus 123 is equal to 0. Now we will check d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So that will be minus 20 square, and then minus 4 into 1 into 123, and then 400 minus 4 3 is 12, 4 2 is 8 1 9, 4 1 is 4, that is minus 92. Not possible. So if the not possible, then we will not solve that. Question number 5th, last question. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of the perimeter 80 meter and the area is 40 meter square? If so, find the length and breadth. Let length is equal to x. So and breadth is equal to that will be 80 upon 2 minus x 40 by the perimeter formula. By the perimeter formula, you know that 2l plus b is equal to perimeter is 80, that will be 40, and then l b is equal to 40 minus l. So that written here according to question, that is area is equal to 400. Area is equal to, that is 400 meter square. So we will solve that area, length multiply breadth. So x multiply 40 minus x is equal to 400. So 40x minus x square minus 400 is equal to 0. Now we will change the sign, x square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. Now we will check d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b is minus 40 square minus 4 into 1 into 400. So that 4 4 is 16, 00 minus 4 4 is 16, 00. That is your 2 real root, 2 equal real root. So it's possible. So we will solve that solution also. X square is equal to 4x plus 400 is equal to 0, and then x square minus the factor of 400, the sum this one will be 20x plus 400. You can apply the another method also. So x square minus 20x that is plus 400 is equal to 0, and then x is common, so x minus 20, and then minus 20 is common, so x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now x minus 20 and then x minus 20 is equal to 0. So x minus 20 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 20. First answer is that. 2 equal real root, that means second answer also will be same, is equal to 0. So x is equal to 20, second answer. Okay.